This is the USG Pro, which is my main router firewall gateway. As you can see, the connection, internet connection right now, my main WAN 1 internet connection is directly connected to the port 3, where I have connected the SFP plus single mode fiber module, which is of the different vendor, not the Ubiquiti, it's a FiberSol. And the secondary WAN I have connected on the port 1, which is directly connected from the router. And I've also set up my network on the E2 as my second failover on the network Unified Network 9.1. Feature has been added, so you can add multiple WAN. So let me show you the connections of the cables. So at the top you see the internet cable from the fiber connection is coming from both the ISP, and one cable is directly terminated with the fiber optic cable to the single mode SFP plus module, and the second fiber cable is terminated to this ONT of OptiLink, which is provided by my ISP, and the WAN cable from there, Ethernet cable, is directly connected to the edge router light. So this edge router light is my second router on the different ISP, and I have connected the edge router with the USW 8 port 60 watt and the UAPSC Pro, and the each two port here is acting as a local bridge. So I give a static IP, and that cable directly coming from the E2 port is to the UXG Pro. So my internet WAN failover is working as expected. Today the primary WAN internet was restored, so it automatically restored from the failover to the primary WAN, and it is working as expected. I have other WAN connection for I have a LTE router, so I can connect and test the third WAN failover if the second WAN is failover to the third or not. Let me know in the comments if you use a failover in your network, because it comes very handy and keeps your network stable. Follow my channel for more Ubiquiti content. Thanks.